Hi, my name is Donny and I am DIY Don. Today we're talking about the simple 3-pronged plug top. If you look at it, earth, life, neutral. The wiring that normally goes into a plug top. 3 colors, blue, brown and green, or green and yellow. Now they are earth, neutral and life. How do we decide which one goes where? Simple. The L in blue tells me that would go to the left side. The R in brown tells me that goes to the right side of your plug top. Now, which is the left and which is the right? As you look at it, that is the way you decide left and right. There you go. Blue to the left, brown to the right, and neutral to the top. That is the best way to remember how to plug or wire a 3-pronged plug. Till the next one, enjoy plugging in.